Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make steak on skillet easy method. Heat a heavy skillet until it smokes, pat the steak dry, and season both sides generously with salt and pepper. Add a high smoke point oil and sear without moving for a solid crust, flip once, and baste with butter and aromatics for flavor. Rest the steak briefly before slicing against the grain for tender bites. A solid sear gives steak its best flavor and texture, so be patient and maintain high heat. Use a heavy skillet, a thin layer of oil, and press the meat gently to ensure full contact with the pan. Sear until a brown crust forms, then flip and finish cooking to desired doneness with butter and herbs. Let the steak rest so juices redistribute, then slice and serve warmly. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more cooking tips and shortcuts. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money and long-term planning, and it pairs well with smart kitchen budgeting and meal prepping humorously. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Finishing in the pan adds depth and aroma, so baste with butter, garlic, and fresh herbs for 1 to 2 minutes. Check temperature with an instant read probe for accuracy, aiming for your preferred doneness. After cooking, rest the steak on a plate tented lightly so juices settle back into the meat. Slice against the grain into even pieces and serve immediately for the best texture and flavor experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.